Hello everyone, so in this video I'm gonna show you why you should choose Shopify. So basically we are gonna moving into the Shopify platform and then I will explain it step by step. So with that part, let's move into it. So first of all, as you can see, this is the Shopify. So if you are new here, I think it's gonna be not understandable something. So you can see that here is the pricing solution. So if you click on the solution, so and on over here you will be able to see everything, like for example start a business, create your website, all this stuff. I mean, what solution they are exactly provide, market your business, market cross social media, I mean all this stuff you will get on over here. Okay, so if you click here and then you will see there all the product. And then also if you want to learn more about Shopify Plus, you can do that. Okay, so right now let's move into the Shopify, exactly how this looks on the Shopify dashboard. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Shopify home look. So whenever you log in into it with your email, then you will see like this looks. And then also under the order you will be able to see all the order. Okay, so as you can see, you will be able to see your all the order, and from here you can manage your order, how much order you get, and your customer information and all this stuff you will exactly will be able to manage from over here. So as you can see, here's some net issue, so that's why I will stop post this video for a while. As you can see, this is the order. Okay, so you will be able to see draft order. I mean, you can control everything on over here. So by the end of the video I will show you how this is looks when you get a order. Okay, so now let's move into the product. So under the product you can see here my all the product. You can add product by clicking here, then you can export and input and export, and then you can do more thing on over here. Okay, so for example, if you want to add product, you have to click on over here, and then after that you have to fill up your product information. Okay, that's the thing. So now let's move into again product, and let's move into the collection. Under the collection you can exactly do everything. You can create a collection, and then under the collection you can add any type of product you want. Okay, so under the inventory you can manage your inventory. I mean, how many product do you have, and then how many product are sold out, you can see everything on over here. And then purchase order. So for the purchase order you can create the purchase order if you want, and then purchase order you will see your customer purchase order. Okay, that's the transfers and gift card, everything on over here. You can create a gift card, all this stuff exactly on over here. So yeah guys, you can get gift card, and then you can add gift card, everything you can do it over here. Gift card product, so you can do it from here. So you can give your product information, then it will show the gift card. Okay, so now let's move into the customer. You'll be able to see your all the customer info on over here. You can segment that, like for example under the 100 product purchase, or under the $100 product purchase, you can do everything on over here. Okay, this is the all in one platform. And also you can do marketing, and then you can run a campaign, and then you can as you can see here the campaign option, you can run a campaign with your current customers. So that's the thing, that's a really good thing. If you click the create campaign, then from over here you will be able to follow their step. Then by the end of the day you will be able to create the content. Okay, so now let's move into the discount. So as you can see, this is the discount. You can create discount like amount of product, buy X get Y, and then amount of order, free shipping, all this stuff. Now let's move into the content. Under the content you will be able to see your all the meta object, and then also file, how many product image do you have. Like for example in your store, all the images you will see under the file. Okay, under the menu you can create a store menu by clicking here the create menu. So you have to follow their step like that, and then save the menu. Then it will show, you have to give the menu name. That's my agency name, CREATIV creative webs. Okay, so you can click on the save, and then if you want to show the menu into website, that had the option. Okay guys, now let's move into the blog post. So let's move into the blog post. So let's click, and from here you can create a blog post, and then you can edit a blog post, all this stuff you can do it. Okay, here's the blog post title, and then content, image, and then also visibility. If you want you can visible, or you can hide that. Okay, that's depend on you. Now let's move into the market. So you can control your market on over here, and then catalog, all this stuff exactly you can do it from here. So since my net issue, so I'm gonna skip that for now, and then also not move into analytics. Okay, so you can see your store analytics, how much you got views, and then your live views, like how many people exactly viewing your website for now. Okay, so yeah, all this stuff exactly you can see here, and under the report you can also check that. So I mean for the e-commerce this is the best platform. Okay, so you don't have to do anywhere else. You can control all in everything in one place. Now let's move into the online store. So under the online store you will be able to see all this store. Okay, so you will be able to see how many store do you have, and I mean you can control everything. So you can create your you can create your theme from here. because it's getting updates. So and then also you can add your new theme from here. I mean, all this stuff you can do it. Okay, so those are the free themes. So if you want to buy any paid theme, you can see the visit theme store, and then you from here you can buy a theme. So if you need any theme and then you free theme, you can click the filter option. Here will show all the free theme, like 23 theme exactly available for free. So I think for the beginning you don't have to buy like a better theme. For the future, I think you should use one of them. Okay, so that's a great thing. So guys, I hope you completely understand how this is works. So and then also you can categorize with like art and craft, and then baby and kids, and then books and news, and then all this stuff you can categorize. Okay, that's the main thing. So guys, I hope you understand how Shopify theme work. So now let's move into the Shopify inbox. So from here, this is the this is an apps. So if you want exactly, you can inbox, you can see your customer message. The inbox means you will be able to put an option like for the messaging option into your website. Okay, so like at the bottom right corner you have the option. Okay, so now let's move into the apps. So under the apps, you can install and delete any apps. So like for example, if you want to do CloudView and email marketing, CloudView email marketing or Mailchimp email marketing, you can install any app by going to the app store. Okay, so it's very big step and then big topic, so you will create another video for that. So now let's move into the settings. So under the Shopify settings, we have a lot of things, like for example, we can put our customer information, like general setting, all this stuff. Okay, so let's pause this video for a while. So guys, under this settings, you can go to general. Under the general, you can control your store details. Like for example, if you click on edit here, then you can give your store name, you can change your store email, and then also you can add your store phone number. Okay, so now let's move into the billing address. So for example, you can give your country, which country you are in, and then your address, and then your apartment, and then also city and postal code, all this stuff. Okay, so now let's cancel that, and then let's go to the plan. Then you can see your store plan, which plan currently you have taken. I mean, all the plan you will be able to see on over here. And under the billing, okay, so under the billing you will see you restore all the like for example how many subscription you have taken ever. Okay, so for example which plan you have taken, and then how many subscription you have, like paid, open, failed, processing, refund, cancelled, all. Okay, all this stuff exactly on over, available on over here. So user and permission, so you can add freelancer and like to create your restore, or if you need anyone to help you to create your restore, you can add them. Like click the add stuff, and then from here how many access you can you want to give them. So you can click on the all this thing, and then you can expand all. So all the access they will get if you select expand all. Okay, so you can give their email, first name, last name. So whenever you will click the send invite, they will receive an email on their account with this email. That email you will give me on over here. Okay, so now let's move into the payment option, and then from on over here you can exactly control your payment. Okay, so you can add your payment method, and then which payment method you want to add, and then you can also add the Shopify payment method on over here. Okay, so all this stuff exactly available on over here. So let's click the renewal and add payment method. You can do it by, that's depend on you which payment method you want to add. So under the checkout, we can customize the checkout page. Like for example, to buy someone, what information they are need to give, like phone number or email, or only email. So that's depend on you which one you exactly want. So you don't have to touch anything on over here, and you should keep on over here as it is. So now let's move to customer account, and then on over here you will be able to like control your customer account. So this is by default Shopify good, you don't have to do anything on over here. As you can see, there's a selected recommended. Okay, so shipping and delivery, so which country you want to deliver your products, so you have to control on over here. So as you can see the shipping, so you have to click on over here, and then from here, as you can see, all the product exactly will show here. So and then you can click the add location, so CJ drop shipping, and let's click on over here, and then you can add shipping zone, Bangladesh, Asia, and Canada, what country you want, and then also shipping rate. Okay, all this stuff you can do it from over here. Now let's move to tax invoiced. Okay, so from here you can set up your taxes, location, and market, like those are the self-explanatory matter. So and then also you can see your all the apps onto on over here, like how many apps you installed so far. So you can see all the apps on over here. And then under the domain, you can connect your domain, like for example, you can buy domain from Shopify, or you can connect the existing domain. Okay, So the customer event, so I think you can create a customer event, like for example add custom pixel. Let's click on over here, that's the pixel name, all this stuff. Okay, so let's move into the notification, and then under the notification you can see which emails you will get notification. Okay, and this is the, it's called unverified. Okay, so receive the verification code, then you will receive an email to verify that. Okay, so customer notification, customer notification, you can control a customer notification. After delivery there will get notification, or after buying there will get notification. There will see all this stuff. Okay, meta and objective, so you can control the meta and objective on over here, like product. Okay, so let's click on over here at define definition, and then you can click the like meta objection name, and then custom field and description, and then you can control the assign health, all the stuff. Okay, so now let's move it in language. So you can add different type of language into your website, like for example if you click and add language, so you can select any type of language you want. Okay, they are available all type of language, so I hope you understand. Customer privacy, so as you can see privacy policy information over here, so it will take automated from your current information on Shopify. And then also as you can see, this is the data storage hosting locations United States. And then policy, you restore all the policy, like for example refund policy, terms and service, shipping policy, contact info, all this stuff you can control on over here. Okay, so guys, I hope you completely understand how to do that. So and then if you click on terms and service, so it will show you all the terms and service, it will automatically generated by Shopify. Okay, that's the thing. So guys, I hope you understand how to use Shopify, so I hope you completely understand. So I'm gonna give you one more step to select, to choose that. Okay, so I have created a presentation, so I'm gonna show you. So for example, let's go to the settings and let's open that. Okay, so for example here I will choose why you should use Shopify. Okay, say this is the all-in-one platform, builder, manage and grow your online store, no coding needed. So key benefit, here's some key benefit: easy to use, drag and drop builder, perfect for beginners, beautiful template, mobile friendly and customizable theme, app store, 8,000 plus apps, email, SEO, review, dropshipping, etc. So secure and reliable, SSL and 9.9% uptime, and then PCI customization. Okay, so all this stuff exactly you can control over here. And then as you can see, small business, all this stuff. So guys, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and in future what type of content you are looking for, let me know. Thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.